I'm gonna be completely honest with you and actually show some accountability. I played Fortnite OG a couple days ago when it launched. I really did think about it. I thought, bro, I don't even play Fortnite anymore. Like this, it's actually just like a waste of time. Why am I gonna spend some time playing Fortnite, bro? But there's a part of me that's been reminiscing about the past, reminiscing and feeling nostalgic about 2018. 2018 is like one of the worst years of my life, but it's also one of the best years of my life. That was the time of my life where I would smoke as soon as I woke up. I would have like full blown mental breakdowns every single week. I went ahead and dyed my hair red. I went ahead and just, I was really chaotic. It was a really chaotic time of my life, bro. And then I moved halfway across the country by the end of the year. It's like a really chaotic time. Like one of the only thing that really like kept me stable, kept me sane was Fortnite. Fortnite at the time was like how I escaped the world, how I escaped like all my problems in life. And for Fortnite to go back and change the map for it to become like how it used to be back then, back in 2018, it made me think like it's this, it's just, let me just play one game. I'm gonna like reminisce about my childhood even further. And so I got out my Xbox, cleaned the dust off of it, plugged it into my TV, downloaded this like 30 gigabyte update. And once I did that, I played and won my first Fortnite game. So I'm like, yeah, bro, I still got it. I'm still the GOAT at this game. But then I lost every single game after that. And I kept telling myself, I can't end on a loss, bro. I need to win one more game. And so I kept playing and losing game after game after game. And eventually 3 hours passed. And I'm like, there's no way I just wasted 3 hours losing on this game, bro. Like I didn't even have any enjoyment. Like it's cool, it's nostalgic, right? Seeing like how like the OG Fortnite map, it made me realize I don't even miss Fortnite. I just miss being a kid. And it made me realize that you can't relive your childhood. Like you can play the same games you did as a kid, you can talk to the same people you did as a kid, you can do the same things you did when you were a child, like growing up in high school and stuff. But then you tried replicating it a few years later, it just doesn't hit the same because you are not the same person. You're not the same person you were when you first started playing the game. So of course it's not going to feel the same. Of course, like it's not going to hit the same. But that's not the point. The point is that I played Fortnite, right? And it made me realize how addicting these games are, because even after I shut it off, I stopped playing Fortnite, right? I deleted it off the Xbox and like put the Xbox away after that. Even like days after, I'm still thinking about video games, bro. And I talked about this before on an older video about how video games are a waste of time, but it's like all I could think about is Fortnite again, bro. I'm thinking, oh wait, they changed the map again. I want to go play season 6 now. Like, oh, now they added some snow. Like I want to like go to like the Viking village and stuff, bro. I want to go back and see like how they destroyed Flush Factory, and these little insignificant thoughts that popped up in my head just like took me away from the focus I could have built. And there's gonna be somebody who comes up with this excuse saying, bro, it's okay to have fun, it's okay to relax, you don't need to be working all the time. But have you ever watched yourself playing video games? Like these, you see like streamers, right, playing video games. The way they look, you can't even tell that they're enjoying the game. Like you can see Kai Cenat playing video games. You can see like Aiden Ross playing video games, bro. They don't look like they're having fun. They really don't. Like you can turn the audio off. Like the only reason why it seems entertaining for them is because they have an audience they can talk to. But I swear, like if you record yourself playing a game right now, go out right now, go play some game, like I don't know, go play Modern Warfare 3. Yeah, sure, they're fun in the beginning when you first start playing it, but over time you get so desensitized to it, so used to the dopamine that you get from playing video games that you don't even enjoy it anymore, because it is literally just like an addiction. Just like how you smoke weed for the first time and you feel like you're a GTA character, everything is just funny to you. Like you even laughing is funny, bro. Like everything is just like funny, like everything's just like insane. But then you start doing it every single day, and it's like you get to a point where you just smoke to feel normal now. Like it doesn't even do anything for you. It's just like this is how like this is just like your new normal now, so you just need to smoke. Same way with video games. Like the more you play, the more you normalize it, the more you realize this is just like how you are. Like you have to play video games to be normal, and you don't even enjoy it anymore. And not only did I waste these 3 hours, right, playing video games, I've had like lingering thoughts to play video games even after I stopped playing it. Like my mind was still on the game, like even after I stopped. This might be easier to show you, so let me show you this real quick. So I actually learned this from my friend Zane, and he showed me this concept, right, where you can have like 2 cups. So imagine these 2 cups, right? Perfectly normal cups. They have like water stains on them, right? But just imagine like they're perfectly clean. Now, imagine this cup, right? I pour some milk in it. All right, you have a nice cup of milk, right? Looks real tasty. Now, imagine this cup is empty, right? Imagine I pour this into here. So this cup has milk in it, right? But even though this cup, it's empty, right? Like there's no milk in it, but you see all this like the white stuff on here, like the milk residue. This is basically your mind. Like you can stop playing video games, right? You can stop, like you can delete it out of your Xbox completely and stop playing the game, but you still have like residue on it. You still have like mental residue on the game. This is why like you can stop doing something, right? You want to delete social media, you want to stop playing video games, you stop it, but your mind still thinks about it because you still have like mental residue on it. The only way for you to actually get rid of it is by cleaning it, by going on like a detox or whatever. This cup will never be the same again unless I clean it out. And the only way for you to properly clean it out is by quitting altogether, by forgetting about it altogether. That's really the only way you can do it. Because if you're trying to, like, this is what I mean, but by trying to limit video games, like you want to play like an hour a day, you play 1 hour, okay, it's time to focus. Like you just keep doing that, bro. Like how much more you can keep doing that, bro? Oh, I'm gonna only play like an hour of video games a day. You see how like your concentration like is slipping, bro? Like I don't know how many drops of milk I just dropped, but look at that, bro. Now it's even dirtier than last time. Just playing, you want to play an hour of video games a day and you wonder why you can't focus. This is why, bro. And it's like you also like lost, like look at all this. Imagine the milk is like your level of focus. Now like you lost some focus, bro. Like I'm gonna have to clean this shit up, bro. Like you lost focus now. Imagine how much focus you can actually have if you didn't have to worry about video games, if you didn't have to worry about social media, if you didn't have to worry about Attack on Titan, bro. Like all these little things that you might like shift your attention to for like 1 second, but even though like you shifted attention to it for like 1 second, it's gonna take a lot longer than 1 second for you to bring your focus back because of like this analogy right here. So don't let OG Fortnite take away from that. Don't let it take away your dreams, bro, because you know you have work to do. You want to be successful in life, right? But how can you be successful if you're playing Fortnite for 3 hours a day? This is why successful people are successful, because they realize this. They realize if they deviate their attention for even a couple of hours to something that does not serve them, something that takes away from their grind, something that will take them further away from their dreams, they realize that they can't spend any time doing it. They can't spend time balancing it because balance does not exist. If you really want to play video games that bad, go take a week off. Go just play video games non-stop, 12 hours a day. Then I guarantee you're going to feel awful. You're going to feel like, bro, I don't want to play this anymore. Not too bad. You wanted to play video games, right? Continue playing. Why you stop after 6 hours? You have another 6 hours to go. Because that's when you'll realize, bro, this is actually such a waste of time. Why am I playing video games? Like this is actually not doing anything for me other than leveling up, creating skills in a game that doesn't matter if I just delete it right now. So don't let Fortnite waste your life because you have more potential, but you're not living up to your potential.